Good afternoon. I'm signing in from Bangalore International Exhibition Center, and I have with me Ms. Jasmine and Mr. Bipin, who's the founder and the operations head for SSBT. And we are going to take some insights from them. And I represent EM Efficient Manufacturing magazine. Over to you, sir. Would you like to share your journey and how have you been here? How is Bangalore treating you?
Actually, actually, we are Mysore-based company. I think almost 15 years experience in this field. Almost we have two units. First we start with SS Technology. Then last 3 years back we start one more unit with SSB Technology. So we have around 300 plus employees. With the one unit in all together we have 600 employees in our factory. So we have almost 7 assembly lines. So next
That's a big journey.
things.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Ma'am, how is the journey so far, and what do you see in the future, ma'am?
We are right now only with the consumer products. So we are looking forward to go with the IRIS, the aerospace, defense, medical. We want to cover up all these sectors. We want to actually enter global market. That is what we are expecting to do.
Oh, nice, nice. So, how is the experience here, ma'am? Are you getting enough buyers or your vendors who are connecting with you? Is this platform a great platform to be in, or and have you been attending this event every year, or what is it like?
This is just a second year. So last year we just put up a small stall just to know how it is going to be. So this year we did it quite big. So even the next year, for the future years, we are going to planning further bigger, to bigger. And I think it is okay. It is quite good. Okay, we are getting connections. More than getting connections, it is like people are getting to know about SSB technology. That we are still here. We are there. There is a company called SSB Technology whom they can contact for contract manufacturing services.
So, just some highlights about your product you're offering.
Schneider smart meters we are doing,
Okay.
and we are doing for phone pay. It's a huge volume we are doing. It's like a smart meters we are doing per month, almost 4 lakhs together our both plant. 4 lakhs per month we are doing.
Okay.
And even though the phone pay also we are doing around 1.5 lakhs we are doing right now.
Okay.
So we have another half of the capacity again we have. So we are looking for a good customers and good volumes we are looking. So we have capable to do at any point of
Right.
time.
Okay.
So that's the thing.
That's nice. Thank you so much for joining with us and giving us this time. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.